Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to create a guild in Free Fire Max. So in order to create a guild on Free Fire Max, make sure to watch the video till the end. Launch open the Free Fire Max game on your device first, and on the main screen, go ahead and tap on the guild icon at the top right in front of the friends icon. And you will be able to open up this page where you can tap on the Create Guild button at the top left. Now, go ahead and choose a unique guild name and choose your guild banner and so on. Make sure it follows the game's naming rules. You can also choose a design or a guild emblem according to your preference, available from the icons menu. In order to unlock some guild icons, you'll need to reach to a certain level, which is displayed right underneath the guild, as you can see it on the display. After you select your emblem for the guild, you can also set your guild's location. Go ahead and tap on the location icon right under your chosen name, select your region, and click on Confirm. Now, on the right hand side, you'll need to choose the approval method. You can choose who can join your guild, including setting level required. After you make necessary selections, you can then enter a slogan for your guild. And finally, in order to create a guild, there's usually a fee that you'll need to pay. You can go ahead and spend coins or diamonds, but make sure you have enough currency to proceed. If you're willing to purchase with diamonds, you can tap on the 100 diamonds option. If you want to spend coins, you'll need 5,000 coins first. Simply go ahead and choose one of the options that you are trying to use. And then you have successfully created a guild on Free Fire Max. You can then start inviting members after creating the guild, invite them to join in with you, and as a guild's leader, you will have ability to manage members, promote or demote officers, and so on. So that is how you easily create a guild in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.